Good morning, students of class 9. You are welcome back to the classes now. We are doing economics. Today's date is 2nd of July 2021. Food security in India. We are doing the next chapter. Food security in India. That's maybe chapter 4. So that is, we are on the first point. There are altogether 6 in this subdivided. Meaning of food security. What is the meaning of food security? What do you mean by food security? Now let's go through this first, then later on meaning of these dimensions. So number A, food security means availability. Availability means to get. Accessibility means everybody has got the reach, and affordability to able to purchase. So ability, accessibility and affordability of food to all the people at all times is called food security. And number B, the poor household, especially we are talking about the poor people. They find it very difficult to maintain their livelihood as they are unemployed, as their income is very low, as they are uneducated. So naturally the poor household are more vulnerable. They are more vulnerable. Vulnerable means likely to get little food, to food insecurity. Insecurity means not to get any food. So they are vulnerable to food insecurity due to, there are a number of reasons why they do not get proper food or enough food. Why? Due to poor income. Maybe they are uneducated, that's why their earning is very poor. Poor income, lack of education, so they do not have sufficient education, and unemployment. So this will lead to food insecurity. These poor household, they are more vulnerable to food insecurity. So number C, when there is a problem of production, in the country, due to floods, due to drought, maybe due to insects or due to cyclone and so on. When there is a problem of production or crop failure due to flood, drought, etc. or crop failure, they are the first to get badly hit. They means the poor household, the poor people. They are the first to get badly affected. Hit means badly affected. So therefore, what should be done? Therefore, food security depends on production, especially the production. There should be a buffer stock. There should be good production in the country. Production and public distribution system, PDS system. The government has an organization known as PDS system, public distribution system. The food will be supplied to the poor people at a subsidized rate, at a lower rate than the market price. And government watchful eyes, and the government are watching who are getting the food and who are poor people. They maintain a list, and ration cards or BPL cards are provided to them. So the government under watchful eyes and action at times when the food security is threatened. When the food security is threatened, government will take necessary action. Suppose if there is low production in the country, suppose there is crop failure, the government has to purchase food grains from the foreign countries and supplied to the market, or especially to the poor people through ration cards, through PDS systems. So that is the main responsibility of the government. So as food is essential for living, because we know that we have to live and we have to work, and for that we require food. Just as air for breathing. For breathing, in order to live, we need air. And in order to live, we need food. So, but food security means something more than getting 2 square meals. Food security means more than that. What does it mean? Food security has 3 dimensions. Dimensions means phases. Dimension means phases. Food security has 3 phases or dimensions. They are availability, to get proper food, sufficient food, accessibility so that everybody could purchase, even the poor can have the food, and affordability means ability to purchase. So we'll talk about this availability, accessibility and affordability. These are the three dimensions of food security, and we'll talk about them in our next class, meaning of three dimensions. We will discuss about availability, accessibility and affordability in our next class. Till then, you go through this, read the book as well. Food security in India we are talking about, poverty as challenge we have finished. So this is the fourth chapter. You go through this properly and learn at home. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.